Hey everyone, my name is Luis and today in this video I will be showing you what is an earthquake. So let's get started. To simple start, let's say that an earthquake is a movement in the ground by the surface or breaking movement of large sections. In today's presentation, I want to go over different things. First, what it is, then the earth interior. After that, we're gonna go over the different types of earthquake, and then we're gonna finish with the preventions. Being more specific, an earthquake is the vibration of the earth produced by rapid release energy, and with this picture you're able to see what is happening in the interior of the earth when the earthquake is happening. Now I'm going to explain what is the focus and the epicenter. The focus is the site where the earthquake occurred by sending this difference to different sites where the earthquake has occurred. The epicenter is the location on the surface directly above the focus. The faults. The faults are the fractures in the earth where the movement has occurred. Now I'm going to explain the two different waves, the P wave or push-pull wave that are expanded in the direction of the wave with a great speed, and the seismic waves that travel along the earth's outer layer and are slow.
Created using Powtoon.